guys, today we're going on a bike ride. I think this is a perfect time, but right now I'm only going to sit on my bus. I was gonna say we're going on a trip on a piece of shit, but wait, there's only one person in the world who done that, so that's probably copywriting. But the thing is, my bike isn't my favorite piece of shit. And plus favorite. The word favorite is, well, my bike is, we're going on a bike ride, on our bikes. This is hard. Hopefully it'll be easy for Jimmy because he could just play a game on his phone while he's biking without any hands. See, he's not using any hands. He wasn't using any hands. He's closer to, he looks bigger to me than how you guys see him because it's a camera.
Behind the saber show. What?
Okay, this is hard. Should I have?
Here, have an eye on spoilers. You have all this, right?
Thanks.
It's only 2 minutes? Dang. That's short of a time it was? Okay, let's go. Well, it's easier for me to hold it because I can do no hands.
Just like how it's brand. But doesn't mean it's not fragile.
Oh, flip, I almost, keep almost falling. No hands are hard sometimes. Don't make fun of me, got it? Don't make fun of me. I'm gonna make a video about doing a tutorial next time, okay? In a little bit. If it will let me. If you let me. I think you guys will all like a tutorial how to do no hands. Who's like doing no hands? Oh, flip.
He just wasn't using any hands.
I'm really slow. It's hard to doing no hands. You have to keep balance with your bike. That's why I'm going fast first.
Hey, Jimmy, wanna go to